If you guys are anything like me, I watch movies at night a lot, and so I have to keep the volume down. So I really wanted to try out some new headphones, and I wanted a wireless one. A lot of TVs and computers and phones now have Bluetooth, so it seemed like a great pair to try out. So these are the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless with immersive bass headphones. They do include Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 40 hours of battery life, rapid charge, 10 minutes equals 3 hours, and adjustable sensory bass. This actually has a adjustment on it, and there's like an actual vibration in it to make it feel like there's more bass. Just got the Skullcandy logo on this side, and then it just says Skullcandy on this side. Bunch of information there, I guess. So free your bass, listen up to 33 feet away. All day binging, fully charged equals 40 hours of playtime. I would imagine that it depends on how much of the actual bass you use. Experience your media, full range audio with subwoofers. Create bass you can actually feel. Adjustable sensory bass. Use the slider on the left ear cup to customize your bass experience. In your world, memory foam ear cushions provide a comfortable noise isolating fit so you can lock in your focus. Active assist and take calls. A built-in mic and on-ear buttons let you activate your device's assistant, manage calls, change tracks, and adjust volume. So you can use this, for calls and for voice activation. Collapsible design. Keep listening. Backup auxiliary cable with mic and remote lets you keep going if your battery dies. So you can actually just plug this in. Now, I was looking at a lot of different headphones. It seems like, most modern phones don't have a headphone jack. So we'll see what it has. So you get headphones, USB charging cable, backup auxiliary cable, protective travel bag, user guide, and 2-year warranty. So let's check out the inside. This actually has like a magnetic folding side here. Has like a nice kind of luxurious feel to it. So open it up here. I don't know what this is. If you're having trouble with it, I guess, do that. So you got the Skullcandy logo in black there. Let's see. Here's the instructions. First time pairing. So you're going to hold down this circle button here for 5 seconds, and then pair with your device. So you'd have to go onto your device and go to the Bluetooth, find the headset. They don't tell you what it will be called. I assume it's going to be called Crusher or something like that. And then you got your knob there. So it does come with this little box here. You get this bag right here. That's the travel bag, and it's got a nice soft interior. There's some compartments in here. Let's just see what's in these little things first. So nice. They really put together a nice looking set here. Kind of a premium quality to it. So we open this up. This is the guide. The guide came in a little box. That's cool. So here's just kind of quick start guide there. Then we have another box here. I'm assuming this is going to be your wires. So we have more instructions inside here, it looks like. And we have, but there we go. You got your charging cable. And then you've got, this is like your backup auxiliary cable. So yeah, see, most modern phones that don't have a microphone jack, although you can get an adapter, like if it's super important to you, they do make adapters. I'm using one on my phone right now to record this video. So you can get adapters if you want to have this as a backup option. You can still use them. I believe though, the base thing doesn't work on this though, if you do that. So interesting, they've got a plastic here on one cup but not on the other. So they are collapsed right now. And I did get the white. I like the look of these. They do feel nice. They got some kind of weird material across the top, but it gives it a cool look. They're kind of a gray right there, and then kind of more of a cream colored than white, and then we've got like a brown or beige cup here. Got these wires coming out like that. Looks kind of weird, I guess. I don't know. And then here is the Skullcandy logo. And then here are your buttons. So you have your plus and minus. I'm assuming that's power and pairing. And then this is kind of your bass adjustment here. And I'm not positive, but I think that just kind of adjusts the feedback. But maybe it just adjusts. Whoops, I'm holding the power button. Maybe it adjusts the bass completely. I'm not positive on that. And then underneath here you have your charging port and your backup port there for if the battery dies. So yeah, I accidentally turned it on. You can see your LED light there. So pretty cool set overall.
And physically rattle your head. Now overall, with their ANC turned off, these headphones sound good. They have